in, you'll see it really stag. When it reads that cow's information, that cow wasn't due to milk, it's not in its period, so it lets it straight through again. So it's a cow 947 is due to milk. So that's the last one we can go in. So what it's doing first is the pre-treatment. So it's got the udders are clean basically before. If that cow's lucky or it's dirty, whatever, the udders are clean first. The way that's working on there is a known tick coordinate position off that little camera there, 3D camera. So that's constantly seeing the position of that cow in the box in relation to the box. And it uses that with stored data to keep the brush movement accurate. So at this point there's no lasers to detect the teeth side, it's just got the known information of the position of the cow in the box. So again in the parlour, what people do is they have teeth wipes, they have to manually wipe every teeth, look it off, this is for you. Once it's finished, it'll swing out. And the clever thing in the role for the farmer is the farmer knows when all 4 cups are drawing milk out, the teeth start, the brush will start bleeding. You'll think it bleeds straight away, but it doesn't. They put it into the software, the farmer has a good rule of thumb, he'll know when the milk's coming out to start cleaning the brushes. So what's happening now is using that laser to scan the teeth. You can come through this side and look at what it's done there is built into the software. Say it puts 1/4 on first, you can't find the other. The software tells you to try and use it in order. Sometimes it takes it across. So if one's across, they might want to start with one, push the other out the way. That's all 4 on. When the milk starts coming through, the sensors just under the arm will read the milk flow. You'll know when all 4 are closed, the sensors will start cleaning. Now it's a mixture of water and kerosene acid. That is just a big protection for the milk. So what's happening now is the milk, using vacuum and pulsation to change the atmospheric pressure to vacuum pressure, it basically massages the teeth to let milk out. That is dependent on the cows. You can set that to say every cow is different, certain cows go faster than other cows. So you can set that robot to identify the milk stream and alter the pulsation depending on the speed. You're not going to damage the cow or even irritate the cow, it's completely custom to how that cow goes. So it's reading the milk. By the time it's got to there, it already knows everything about that milk project. Yeah, that's why it's so quick on the nose. So what we discussed before is if it's high cholesterol milk that you can't make, it'll automatically put it in 3 buckets. If it wants to put it in 4 buckets, the system will tell you which buckets are being used, but it'll also tell you which cow has gone into that bucket, how much milk. The farmer can customise which cow gets what milk and what cow. And again, if it's an antibiotic treatment and it needs to dump that milk, it'll automatically dump it straight into the system.
What's safe to store? It's not fed back.
It's a human product, there's no need to go straight into the system, it just goes away.
Alright, you wouldn't feed it to calves or anything like that?
Not antibiotic, no.
Ah, right.
Or if there's blood in the milk, it's going to have a bad taste, a bitter taste, I don't want it.